All right, ladies, we like to, up the look good factor for the festive season. And one way to do so is that of getting a festive manicure. So to share some nail designs ideas for the season is Teopatra Duhaney, owner of Blessed Hands by Teo. Lovely lady, how are you?
I'm good.
Welcome.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
I could stand and talk to you for hours. Can I tell you? Because you brought in one of my favorite things to do, which is nail designs.
Right.
And for the Christmas season, it's not just French anymore, right?
No.
Okay.
No. You have like varied colors. So it depends on your appetite as well.
Yeah.
What do you want? But mainly reds, white, deep tones, and blues.
And blues?
Yeah.
Really?
Like royal blue and stuff like that. And of course, forest green.
Okay. I mean, why though? Why is it that we normally go in this direction during this festive season? We normally decorate a house and stuff. Why ladies tend to say, my hands should be looking like the Christmas tree?
Because I guess it brings them closer to the whole season and it makes them feel so much more a part of it.
Yeah. All right. So the designs that are popular for this year are?
Okay, I would say the sweater nails, candy canes, and chrome, Aurora, which is the newer designs. And you have the 3D designs as well. So it just depends on how you twist it.
So the sweater nails have been around now for a while, right?
For a while, right.
Yeah.
So
I usually see them when they're matte and nice and, but I see though that on your hand here, it's glossy.
yes. So I did a contrast. I put on the clear, the top coat, and then did the sweater on top to give it a pop underneath.
Okay, and for the persons who are listening to us go on and on and on about sweater nails down our own rabbit hole, right?
Right.
Explain to them what that sweater nail design looks like.
Okay, so it's basically you getting a color, and then when you apply your paint, you use the acrylic dust to just go over it, like gloss over it, and then you dry it, so it gives it the texture of the sweater.
Okay, I don't know if our cameras can just zoom up, but can you just show them the nail that you're talking about specifically?
So this would be a sweater nail.
This one, all right, so let's put on the others and let's just hold up that particular, there we go. So that is it, that's a design that we're looking at, it's a sweater nail. What do you think about, it's a sweater that we wear, right?
Yes,
that's the reason why
so
it's a
different
hit.
prints.
Yeah, okay, the other design that you have here.
It's a candy cane.
Candy cane.
Can't go wrong with a candy cane for Christmas time.
Exactly. All right. So candy cane, sweater, and the other one is?
So I'll be doing a snowflake on the other one.
All right, my darling. Well, let's get into it. A snowflake. How long does that normally take?
It varies.
Without the prep work?
Okay. Without the prep work, depending on length and style, it can be 10 minutes or 15 or less.
Well, we need to start right now, my darling.
Alrighty, let's get into it.
You've already done the gel base, yes?
Right.
And she's painted it red already. So red is your base?
The red is the base, and then we're going to use white. We're going to do a white snowflake.
All right, so the white snowflake, that's what we're going to be doing.
Okay.
Talk us through it.
So I'm just going to now apply our white paint, acrylic paint, that it doesn't need a top coat, which is perfect. So doing that, I just put random dots in the area that I want it to be. Okay. And then I connect them.
What is that tool that you're using?
It's a dotting tool.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. So as soon as you're finished, we're going to ask you to just, we want to be able to keep up with you. So we want to see it, want the camera to be able to get it in focus. So just move your hand so we can zoom in on it. Okay. Camera's coming around. So you dotted it.
Yes, and now I'm going to pull from the center downward. And
that should give us a snowflake.
And that should do it, the trick.
Oh, wow. You can see that you're an expert. Look how quickly you just dot it and then just stretch it out and create the snowflake. I love that. All right, we're coming in to take a closer look at it.
Not a problem.
I love this. How long does a design like this last for?
It varies depending on how the person uses their hands. It can last up to 3 to 4 weeks. Okay. Or more, depending on the client.
Gotcha. All right. So we're asking you to just pause for a second so we can actually zoom in on what's happening there on the nail. Let's just bring that into some focus so we can actually see it. And if you look closely, there it is, the snowflake right there on the nail. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
So hold on and no.
We can add some dots.
Teopatra, I feel like this is not the normal price that I would pay for a normal manicure, right?
It's not. Definitely not.
How much more would I need to pay for something like this?
Okay, so depending on the length of your nails, the set starts at anywhere between 6'5" up
Okay.
So it just depends on the length and style, the other styles that you need be incorporating in the set.
Okay, all right. Have we completed the snowflake?
Yes, we have.
Yes, all right.
Dry.
So we're gonna do another one. I see you there with some glitters.
Right.
Yeah.
We can't have Christmas without some glitter.
Exactly.
So we're gonna now, the nail is already prepped, so we're gonna apply a top coat to hold your glitter in place.
Okay, what kind of top coat is it?
It is a no wipe top coat,
No
so
wipe
you don't
top
have to
coat.
worry. After you do this, then that's it.
All right, so we want you to just remove your hand so we can have a look at it, what the look is. Now, by itself, it's still wet, so, you know, you have to put it under a lamp.
Right, afterwards.
Yeah.
So when you put your glitter on, that's when we put it in a lamp and it's set from there.
Okay, so right now, as it is wet, we're gonna be applying the glitter on top. Okay, is there any particular direction that we just throw it on there?
Just throw it on.
Oh, gotcha.
Just throw it on and watch to see if you have missed any areas.
Okay, and we're doing the entire nail with the glitter?
We're doing the entire nail for the sparkle of the season. Why not?
Oh, I love that. Okay. And then see, I mean, by the time this dries, it won't come off. When I bathe and wash my hand and wash plate, it's not going to come off?
Nope. You'll lose some of it, but you'll still have a nice glittering.
Okay. What's that piece of technology that we're looking at
So this
right now?
now is the UV lamp, the one finger lamp that we're using to set it into place, and then that's it.
Okay. Love that. And I realized that it doesn't take a very long time to set, right?
No, 1 minute or
Okay.
less, depending.
That is good. Okay, and depending on the kind of work that I do, could I wear this to work?
Sure,
Would you
if your
suggest?
office allows
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
So, but it's lovely.
And if I wanted a shortened version of the same designs, I could still get it.
Same way.
Gotcha. Okay, love that. So these are the designs that are hot this Christmas, right?
Yes.
Okay. And do I go into the New Year's with this as well, or do I come back to you and say, boy, T, Christmas don't know no New Year's nails. What am I looking at?
Well, it depends. Some persons will wear the set into New Year's, and then some will just change it into something different, more sparkly, or something more going towards New Year's theme, like champagne glasses or, stuff like that.
Gotcha.
Or a wine bottle, or, how creative your nail tech is.
Okay, one of the things that I know as well, T, is that you'll find different designs that will be on trend for the year, right? For the entire year. Last year, we saw a series of different colors, a lot of pastels last year.
Yes.
We see a lot of bright colors coming back in now, lots of vibrant disco colors.
Yes.
Will that be the trend for next year?
When I'm looking around, I think that's going to be the trend for a period, and then it changes again, because again, with different tones for different seasons.
Okay, awesome. All right, where can we find you if we wanted to contact you?
So I am at I'm in Portmore, Blessed Hands by Teo at Hillside Plaza.
Okay.
In Portmore, St. Catherine.
Lovely stuff, my darling.
Thank you.
Lovely stuff. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Well, I do believe that we're going to be heading to our social media pages right now for a chance to win a $8,000 gift certificate courtesy of Blessed Hands by Teo. So go on over right now to the social media page for your chance to win a manicure.
Right.
Yeah, you get touched by Teo.
That's right.
That's it. All right. I love it. Thank you for joining us, my darling. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure.
All right, it's time for us to go to a break, guys. To soon come back. Stay with us. Lovely.